Now we will need to talk about the method that we will do for the delete button. But before we do that, we just need to explain something right here. So here we can make a new file and call it slice.html. Okay, and we will open this file in Google Chrome, not this one, but this one. Will be printed here. Okay, so let's make HTML5. And then what we will do after this part, we can add something like dev with class of demo and leave it empty. And here let's add some script code. We will add const of numbers and make it equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's make the last number to be 5. Okay, so what we just want to do after this part right here is to make a const with, let's make something like the const of slice, and we'll make it equal to number dot slice 1 and 3. Okay, we just need to know right here what's going on. What's going on here? We got this one, we got this array, and this is slice, not slide. The slice right here will return to me between the 1 and 3. So this is the 1 and then 2, 3. So it will return from 1 to 3. So let's see what we got right here, which we can make it to the slice or the document get element by or query selector demo dot text content equal to the slice. Okay, so let's see what we have on the screen right here. So we got 2 and 3, which is 2, 3, 4, which is the numbers between the 1 and 3. Like here, 1, this is 2, this is the 3. And if I make it to 4, 2, 3, and 4. But what if I wanna make from the first number, but remove the last number? So we will need here to make the 0, right, or the first number. But in the calculator, the last number will not always be the same number right here, but the first will be always 0. To make it, there is -1. -1 will be printed in the code as the last number, whatever is the length of the array. So let's make it here. So here we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 without the last number. And this is how it works. Okay. So let's test something different. Const numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I want to convert this to a string in order to use it inside the slice. So we can make it number dot to string, and then slice from O and -1. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. We just need to remove this one. Okay, so now we removed the 5. And that's what we will do in the JavaScript calculator. So let's do that here. We will make right here, put in delete dot add event listener. The event listener right here will be for the click. And then I want a function. Open the bracket, and then the current operand will be equal to the current operand, which is the current operand that I saved, dot toString, what's going to string dot slice 0 and -1, the same that we did. and then the current operand text dot text content dot text content will be equal to the current operand. Okay, so we just want to test this part right here with 3 and delete, and now this is done, and we want to make here console dot log the current is plus the current operand. So let's make the screen larger. Test but we click on right here. We can make like that, like that, like that, like that, and then delete. Now it's like that again and again and again until I delete for the last number. And then when I click here, we don't get anything to delete, so it will return. Okay, so this is for the delete button, and the last thing that we will need to do is for clear button, but we will do that in the next video. Good luck and try to do it yourself, and then of course we will do it together, but also try to do it yourself. Have fun. We want to add for the AC. What we just want to do for the AC, when I click on the AC, I want the current operand to be none or empty, and also we want to make for the current operand previous operand current operation, and also the current operand text content, and finally the previous operand text also to be none. So we can make here, we just need to add a comment right here, couldn't delete character, and the last one will be for the clear button. Okay, and then we can make for clear, or well, putting clear, I think. Putting no, so what was it right here? It was clear. Yes, clear. Clear. Dot add event listener. When I click, so I want something to happen. The parameters will be empty. With empty parameters, of course. Open the bracket, make the current operand equal to the previous operand equal to the current operation equal to the current text dot text content equal to the previous text dot text content equal to none. Let's test it and see if we have any problem here. And then yeah, it's being deleted and nothing making a problem, and like that. AC. Now it's deleted, and then we can add new calculation to this. Okay, so now this is working fine, and we have no problem with the calculator.